Warning: you will hear adult language in this video. If you are offended by adult language, Student of the Game FX is not liable for the damage done to your virgin ears. Alright, it's day 3. Let's go over the results. It looks like we won 3 out of 4 trades again. So, hey, you know, at least we know we can make some kind of profit some of the time. Even if it might not be all the time. But so far, so good. So first trade was pound yen, and that was our loss. Let's go back in time. Oh man, so pound yen was the fun one because I drew up, when I said I was buying here, I said basically price has to break this leg of structure. This leg of structure, I mean this level of structure, this level of structure, this level of structure, and you know what, it stopped at all of my levels. I mean, it was just it just, you know, it went down before it went up, and I was apprehensive about it in the first place. But we saw on the 4-hour that we had bullish momentum, and it was bouncing in our zones, but we weren't patient enough and we didn't wait for it to come deep enough into this zone here where it skyrocketed. So you know, you live and you learn. Sometimes I don't learn, but whatever. Looking okay. We can take the L on that one and move on. Euro yen, that was our other one. I was apprehensive about getting in because we were already on the pound yen. So these are similar because euro and pound is pretty similar. So I was I figured I'd lose one of these when I was doing a sell on the euro yen and a buy on the pound yen. Anyways, let's look at it. Let's see what's going on. That was a win. 7 lucky 7s. Euro yen. Oh, that one was basically okay. So this is the one where we broke under this level of structure here, and we were looking for an entry on the. So on the 4-hour, we broke that level of structure. Then we broke under here. If I recall correctly, I was looking for a test in this area before going down, or I think I put an alert. I think this is the one where I put an alert down here and I put an alert up here, and then whichever one was triggered, I would look for action that way. So it broke our low here, and then I got in. I'm pretty sure that was it. We got our 1 to 1.5 on that one. If we held it longer than that, it could have been a 1 to roughly 1 to 8, depending on spread here. Oh, that's a nice trade though. Oh, 1 to 1.5 is good for me. I kept getting clapped going for the 1 to 8s, so I'm working on it, y'all. Next one, US 30, US 30. That was another win here. US 30, day 3. Okay, so this is the one where on the 4-hour, I thought because this area was untested on the daily as well. Daily? Yeah, so I drew that zone based off of the daily, and then I put a line at the 50%. I don't know why, but I just like doing that. It seems to work most of the time. But anyways, we came close to the 50%, and then we just bounced back up on the 4-hour. And on the 5-minute, what we did was, since we thought it was going to go all the way down to our 50% mark, which I don't know, I feel like it came close, but I don't trade US 30 that much, so I don't know how probable it is on this pair. I mean, I know it spikes heavy, but anyways. So we got our 1 to 5 here. We saw that structure was going downward on the lower time frame, and I think on the 4-hour we were looking at, let's see, it should be in, we were looking at how it was dumping here and it had broken this low, and we wanted it to go here after breaking this like weird trend line. And I believe that I don't know if trend lines work on US 30, but I guess it helped us with market direction. So yeah, after that we looked on the 5-minute and saw a bunch of bearish structure, and then saw this impulse forming, break this low, and we entered. So simple. Okay, so Euro Aussie. Euro Aussie was our last win here. Let's go to Euro Aussie. Oh, so Euro Aussie, this bitch right here was basically making, okay, I think that was the trade. Really? It's been that long, y'all? Oh shit, it has, huh? Either that or I didn't put the trade on. Let me just make sure. Nah, see, that is the right trade because look, I went back to midnight. Dang, man, time flies. So basically it came into our zone here, and then we saw bearish, or we were looking for bearish rejection off of this kind of block area here, and then we got our bearish impulse, I believe, and it broke this low here. I think when we got in, I was wary about this low, but you know, we entered, it bounced off it, said howdy doody, and kept going. And if we held it all the way down, this had the potential to be 1 to 7. Yeah, that's our day 3 trades. I mean, not much to say. We're just chugging right along. Thanks for watching.